Number 20, in triangle JKL, the cosine of x is 24/51 and angle J is a right angle. What is the value of cosine L? Okay, so I've got a triangle JKL and I'm told J is a right angle. So JKL, and the cosine of K is 24/51. Now cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, the length of the adjacent side over the length of the hypotenuse. So my adjacent on top is 24, so that's this side that's adjacent to K. This is the side that's opposite, this is the leg that's adjacent, and the hypotenuse is always the longest side, the one opposite the right angle. So hypotenuse then is 51. And that 5 looked really weird. There we go, 51. Okay. Now, there are a couple of different things you can do at this point. We can go ahead and use a squared plus b squared equals c squared to solve for our missing side, because we're going to need it to find the cosine of L. Because for L, we need the adjacent side of L over the hypotenuse, so we need that side. So we can absolutely plug in and say a squared plus 24 squared equals 51 squared. Sometimes with these right triangles, it's beneficial to look and see if it might be a triple, a Pythagorean triple, meaning one of our common triangles that has those nice round numbers like 3, 4, 5, or 5, 12, 13. There's a few of them. And that's something, if you want to learn those, they can save you a little bit of time. It's up to you. So in this case, yeah, I looked at them and I said, these are both divisible by 3. What happens? 15 divided by 3 is 17. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Ah, yes, that is one of those triples of 8, 15, and 17. Which would mean, since this is 17 times 3, 8 times 3, then this side would be 15 times 3, or 45. Again, that's a little, kind of bit of an extra. that shortcut is a little extra. If that makes sense to you, that's something that you can use. Absolutely. You know, if you want to just stick with our solving using the Pythagorean theorem, totally fine, and will always work as well. Okay, so if we do this, my 51 squared is 2,601. My 24 squared is 576, and then we have a squared plus that. If I subtract 576 from both sides, I'm going to get that a squared is equal to 2,025. And to solve for a, I need to take the square root of both sides. And we'll get that a is equal to 45. Right, so the value of cosine L, either way that we looked at this, we saw that this is going to be 45. And the cosine of L has to be the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So the cosine of L is the adjacent side, 45, over the hypotenuse, 51. Always check to see if you can simplify this. So simplify, and I will say I've heard that they said they don't penalize you for not simplifying, but then if you look at their answers, they always have it in, they're like, simplify this down to that. So, let's, what's the word? Not like hedge your bets, but maybe it is hedge your bets. Let's hedge your bets and simplify this. Both of these are divisible by 3, so if I divide 45 by 3, I get 15. If I divide 51 by 3, I get 17. So my simplified answer is that the cosine of L is 15/17, and that is my answer. And you can put it in that fraction form or in a decimal. Hey guys, just a quick heads up, I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.